Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi Somnath. Our today's Viva topic is tree, which is a part of collection framework, and it is comes through the Java import Java util package, and we use the tree to tree is a non-linear data structure. With the help of tree, we can make a hierarchy of element. If you want to put element, does not put element sequentially and put element hierarchical array, or sorry, hierarchical list, that time we use the tree. Or in that tree there are two type of tree, like tree set, tree map. There is a subtype of tree. And then firstly we discuss the how we create the tree. First we take one element, and that element consider as a root element. If root element if tree does not contain the any duplicate value and does not maintain the insertion order, if we consider one element and that element comes again in our tree, so that cannot be allowed in the tree. And firstly we check element root node to the uh, tail level. First we check if root left is equal to null. Then if root left null, that time we create a new object, like a temp dot left is equal to new node. And if our root left not equal to null, that time we shifted the our temp to the temp left. And another operation is, if we see the our data is greater than or not to the right side element, that time we firstly check the our root is root left right is equal to null. That time we must be created new object in right side. Or that time if again condition, and whenever we create a new object in our tree, that time we must be return or break is must in that tree. And if our root dot right is equal to not null, that time we shifted the temp to the right. And check until the whenever our element not to be the end. And with the help of tree we can perform the many operation. We take the print method to the print the tree. And we also use in that tree b tree, like binary search tree. Binary search tree, it is a already sorted tree in present in Java. If you found the any element in sorted list, that time we use the binary search tree. In that binary search tree we must take a mean, max, and mid. Mid does not given by programmer. We find the mid of that binary search tree. Firstly we start our max into the mean to the starting point of index, and max we take the length minus 1. Or that time we firstly check our element, our max is less than mean, that time our element not found, because of there is no element which is max is less that time. And how we find the mid? So there is a formula to calculate the mid, like mid is equal to min plus max divided by 2. With the help of this formula we find the mid. If our element is a mid, that time our element find the mid at the that index. And our number is greater than mid, that time we add the one element into the mid, like mid is equal to min plus 1. We take min 0 position to the mid position and shift it to the right side. And if our number is less than our number is less than to the element, that time our we shifted to the max into the mid, and we calculate the max like mid is equal to max plus 1. With the help of this formula we easily perform the binary search tree. That's all about tree in a Java. Thank you so much.